Hey DIY enthusiasts! Today I'm going to show you how to transform plastic bottles into gorgeous flowers. It's the perfect way to recycle and add some unique decor to your home. Let's dive right in. First, let's prepare our materials. Grab some plastic bottles, scissors, acrylic paints or spray paint, paintbrushes, a hot glue gun or strong adhesive, green floral wire or sticks, and markers for details. Ready? Let's get started. Step 1. Cut the flower petals. Clean and dry your plastic bottle. Cut off the bottom section, around 3 to 4 inches from the base. Now cut slits from the edge towards the center to form petals. Round the edges with scissors to give them a more natural look. Step 2. Form the flower. Gently bend the plastic petals outward to mimic a real flower shape. For a fuller look, use multiple bottle sections with slightly different petal shapes. Glue them together at the center. Step 3. Paint and decorate. Use acrylic or spray paint to color the petals. Bright colors like red, yellow, or pink work really well. Let the paint dry completely. Add details with a marker to draw veins on the petals for more depth. Step 4. Make the stem. Attach a piece of green floral wire or a painted stick to the center of the flower with hot glue. If you want, you can cut out leaf shapes from the bottle scraps, paint them green, and attach them to the stem. Step 5. Final touches. Arrange your beautiful plastic bottle flowers in a vase or use them as decorations around your home or garden. And there you have it, gorgeous DIY flowers made from plastic bottles. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel for more fun DIY projects. Happy crafting!